Namah Shivaya children, welcome to English class. Children, we have already completed the poem Tumai of the Elephants. Now I would be giving the notes of the same poem. You know how to write in the CW? I have already told you how to write in the CW. First open your index page, write the serial number, write the date and then write the name of the poem. Okay? Then open the new page. On the top of the page, write the name of the poem and start with the first main. First main is keywords. I have already given keywords and meanings in the last two videos. You can refer the textbook also for the meanings, but I have given here. You can copy this from the PDF. I will be sending the PDF of the same. You can copy from that. Okay, for the pronunciation of the words, you have to watch the video and then refer the PDF and complete your CW. First main keywords. Forest affairs. Second one, sugar cane. Third one, wood folk. Fourth one, layers. Fifth one, remember. Sixth one, untainted kiss. Seventh one, clean caress. Eighth one, ankle ring. Ninth one, snap. 10th one, picket stake. 11th one, masterless. 12th one, playmates. After the first main, leave one line and draw the line. And the second main is meanings. First one, forest affairs. The activities of animals in the jungle. Second one, wood folk. People who live in the forest. Here children, wood folk means people who live in the forest. But in this poem, it refers to the animals. Third one, lairs, home of animals. Fourth one, untainted kiss, the feel of pure, clean air. Fifth one, clean caress, the touch of clean water. Sixth one, snap, break. Seventh one, picket stake, a wooden post to which animals are tied. Eighth one, masterless, free from a human owner. After this main, leave a line and draw the line. Whenever you are drawing the line, use pencil to draw the lines. Okay, third main, answer the following questions. First one, where do you think this elephant is? Where does it wish to go? Answer. The elephant is in captivity where it is made to work for food and tortured to obey. It wishes to escape to its home in the wild. After this, draw one line. Then, second one. I will remember my old strength and all my forest affairs. What do old strength and forest affairs refer to? Answer. Old strength refers to the strength of his freedom. Forest affairs refers to the free life in the wild. After this, draw one line. Third one, out to the wind's untainted kiss, the water's clean caress. Explain the meaning of this line. Answer. The wind's untainted kiss, the water's clean caress refers to the elephant's free life when he would feel the breeze on his skin and bath happily in the clean waters that refreshed him. After this, draw one line. Fourth one. What has the elephant been doing for its human masters? Answer. The elephant has been enslaved to carry load on its back for its human masters. After this, draw one line. Then fourth main, think and answer. Think and answer. In that first one, in your opinion, how does this elephant feel about its master? The elephant wishes to be free from the enslaved life. The ankle chain and the sharp picket stake that his master uses on him. He also does not wish to sell his back for a bundle of sugar cane. After this, leave one line and draw one line. Second one, what does the elephant feel about its earlier days in the jungle? What would it remember the most? He reminisces means to recollect the past events. He reminisces his own kind, the free air and calming waters of the jungle. He remembers his last loves and playmates. After this, draw one line. Then, value-based questions. That first one. Only one question is there, children, in that. Where do you think animals are happier? In the jungles where they may or may not get food, or in zoos where they are looked after and given food? Answer. Animals are happiest in the wild where they get to live with their natural instincts, look for their own food and live among their own kind. In zoos, although they get food, they are caged and removed from their own kind and kept in small enclosures, which is not an ideal life. Children, for this question, you can answer in your own way. What do you think about it? Okay. Where do you think animals are happier? Maybe in the zoo or in the jungle. I have given the answer here, but it's not like that. You have to write the same one that I have given. You can give your own answers, because if in the zoos they will get food time to time, they would be getting the food, but they are caged. They are not supposed to go out. They are not allowed to go out and have their look for their food. So in the jungle, they can live happily as they want, is it not? But it is like I have given my answer here. You can change the answer, children. If you are thinking some other answer, you can write for this. It's always good. You think and you write where the animals are happier, in the caged or in the zoos where they are caged, or in the jungle where they are free and allowed to go anywhere and look for their own food. Okay, children? After this, draw one line. Then, in the rhyme scheme, I have already I told you how to do the rhyme scheme. I taught in the last video. You can watch the video once again if you have any doubts for that, and I would be reading the lines for you again. I will go out until the day, until the morning break. Out to the wind's untainted kiss, the water's clean caress. I will forget my ankle ring and snap my picket stake. I will revisit my lost loves and playmates masterless. Okay, here in the first line, we have already done the first stanza. This is second stanza. In the first stanza, we have given A and B. Now in the second stanza, we have to give C. In the first line, the last word is break. We have already given A and B. Now we can give C here. In that C. And then second line, last word is caress. Does it rhyme with the break? No, it doesn't rhyme. So what you have to write there? You have to write D. Okay. Then coming to the next line. I will forget my ankle ring and snap my picket stake. Stake is there. Does it rhyme with the second line last word? Caress? No, it doesn't rhyme. Does it rhyme with the first line last word? Break? Yes, of course. It rhymes with the word break. So there you can write C. So first line last word and third line last word are rhyming words. So you can give same letters for that. C, C. And then coming to the last line, I will revisit my lost loves and playmates masterless. Does it rhyme with the first line last word? No. Does it rhyme with the third line last word? No. Does it rhyme with the second line last word? Yes, of course. Caress. Caress and masterless rhymes. So you have given D for the second line last word. It rhymes with the fourth line last word. So you can give the same letters D. So the rhyme scheme for this stanza is CD, CD. Understood, children? I hope you have understood and you will write the answers and you will complete your CW. You will complete your CW, isn't it, children? Write all the mains in your CW. I have completed all the mains given in the textbook. Okay. If you have any doubts, you can watch the video once again. Okay. Complete your CW. I'll be sending one PDF also in the material. You can copy the notes from that also. You can refer the textbooks also. To learn the meanings and words, you can go through the textbook. And I'll meet you in the next class with a different topic. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you, children. Namah Shivaya.